In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email addresses automatically. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control whether your form captures email addresses and which method fits your needs best. Start by opening your form and heading to the Settings tab. You'll see this alongside your form's main editing area. Settings is where you control things like responses, presentation, and in this case, email collection. Next, expand the Responses section. There's a small down arrow next to it. Click that to reveal more options. Inside, look for the Collect Email Addresses control. This is a drop-down that determines how or if email addresses are captured from respondents. You'll see three choices. The first is Verified. Choose this if you want the form to automatically record the respondent's Google account email. With this option, respondents must be signed in to their Google account to complete the form. The big advantage here is accuracy. Because it pulls the email directly from their account, you avoid typos and fake entries. It also helps you tie each response to a real, authenticated user, which can be useful for internal forms, course registrations, or anything that requires accountability. Keep in mind that this requires sign-in, so it won't work well for audiences who don't use Google accounts. The second option is responder input. When you pick this, the form automatically adds a required email question at the very top. This is ideal if you want to allow anyone to respond, regardless of whether they have a Google account. It keeps your form accessible while still collecting a way to follow up. Because respondents type their email manually, the quality of the data depends on them entering it correctly. It's a flexible option for newsletters, event signups, or public surveys where you still need contact details. The final option is Do Not Collect. This keeps your form anonymous. Choose this when you're running surveys where privacy is essential or when you simply don't need to link responses to individuals. It removes the friction of sharing personal information and can increase response rates, but it also means you won't be able to reach out to respondents later or match answers to specific people. That's all there is to it. Open your form, go to Settings, expand Responses, and pick the email collection method that aligns with your goals. Verified for accuracy and sign-in, responder input for openness and flexibility, or do not collect for full anonymity. Make your selection with intention, and your form will do the rest automatically.